What's up, guys? Camden Riley Active here. Another gorgeous day with my boy Max. Just gonna have another fun day and get into a lot of random stuff, a lot of fun adventures, and just enjoy this gorgeous day and let you enjoy it with us. And we're just gonna actively live a Saturday out with you guys. So let's jump in, let's go have some fun, and let's get it. Peace. Yeah, I'll get it back. Max, how's food?
Fantastic.
What do we get?
A little bit of everything.
Ham and cheese croissant.
A strawberry Danish.
And a baile. If you're not sure what it is, look it up. Because I can't tell you. But it's delicious.
Shout out Little Recto. Be local.
There's the lay pops that we got.
Yeah, really good. Furniture for.
Oh, Max, we passed the mustache store. We can walk back around that way. Let's while we're here, and then we can loop back around and go to the car.
Sounds good.
Peace. At the thrift store, like always, love finding some cool stuff.
This is vintage.
Looking for some camera stuff, a tripod or something. So, yeah.
We're gonna play a little foosball.
You wanna have a little friendly game of foosball, Max?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go. Wait.
Ball sold separately, I guess. Looks like I'm about 165, 170.
Purchases for the day from the thrift store. We got a nice little orangish red coffee mug, because I love collecting coffee mugs, and why don't you want an extra? And then I got a cork for wine bottles. Apparently I do not have one, and I needed one, so here we go. Boom.
Heading into one of our favorite stores, Hack Red Outdoors.
Yep. A little outdoor shop. Gonna, again, look for some items so we can adventure with you guys.
Open the door for you. Hunting for chacos.
What are we hunting for?
Chacos.
You need a pair of chacos, Max?
So it seems. I don't like this.
When you've got a broken pair of chacos, you might as well get another pair. Because what are you gonna adventure in if you don't have chacos?
I don't know.
I mean, what are you wearing right now?
And my running shoes.
His running
Unacceptable.
shoes. Max. Unacceptable.
Just find this stuff at the thrift store. We'd be golden.
Yeah. Max hold. You know, when the temptation hits you hard because you're at home with all this outdoor land. Yeah,
And then you see the price tag.
But, you know, then I look at the price tag and I'm like,
No bueno.
yeah, I mean, like, golly, look at that. Like, love me some Patagonia. And I love me some Snap Tee.
And some down.
And some down.
All you need is the cold weather.
40% off. Max, what'd you purchase?
Tacos.
Chacos?
Yep.
Stop number what?
4.
Stop number 4 on our daily adventure vlog.
We're into a shopping day.
We're at Southern Trend. Yeah, as Max said, it turned into a shopping day.
Sorry guys, so we're getting outside, so don't worry.
A nature day.
I don't know what that means.
Nature? Like nature is neat? Nature? I don't know, but
New catchphrase.
peace out.
The guy's staring at us. I couldn't figure out why at first, and I realized you're holding the camera.
Just an update.
Update?
Well, I don't really need to update you because all we've done all day is gone shopping. Somehow, some way, we're gonna magically appear out in nature somewhere. So, wow.
Limit smarter, right? We think. This one or the other one, because they're really similar.
I don't like that color though. That dark blue. Woo! What's up, guys? Alright. Here's the deal. I was supposed to update you guys when I got to the, what do you call it? Nature, whatever, adventure spot that we talked a lot of game about. But I guess that's not gonna happen today. We ended up getting into a little bit more shopping and cruising around town. So yeah, we're gonna postpone the fun adventure until tomorrow. Gonna go hit up a new waterfall I have not yet been to, and I'm super pumped. Should be a great time, a great little adventure. Let's get into it, and I'm gonna update you tomorrow. So let's get into the adventure and let's stay active. Have you been there to Kettle Falls? Kettle Falls? You are? Yeah.
Are we the right spot? You know? A lot of trails.
That's why he was kind of, I think, like...
He was kind of like, I don't know, I don't want to tell you guys what it is. You know what I mean?
Well, when we said we followed the creek, he was like, yeah. You know, like we've read about it.
Right. You want to what?
I wanted to truck through. How cold is this water?
Nice ice and cold.
Yep.
Ice and cold.
Hey, I'm wearing my Chacos, but sorry, Max.
Right. That's you.
Alright, can you get that, that right there, so I can... Matt.
Found number one.
Found the first waterfall, and I've got Reynolds Falls, and I've got cobwebs all over my camera. We found the adventure. Now it's your turn. Well, that's it. That's all, guys, from this adventure weekend vlog with Camden Riley Active, and
I've got rocks in my shoes.
well, that was Max, but that's it from this weekend adventure vlog. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go down below, give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this as well, go down below, get subscribed to my channel. You will not be disappointed. I post lots of fun adventure videos where I actively live my life out. So go down below, get subscribed. We'll see you next time in the next video where I go out in nature and explore. But as always, stay active and stay
Adventurous.
peace.